Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ continues to stand by its decision to further increase the monetary policy interest rate. It says the new rate, which sits at 4% effective today, is expected to further tighten spending in the economy. Javon Keys reports.
The Monetary Policy Committee for another month has decided to increase the policy interest rate. The 150 basis points jump brings the rate to 4%. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles says the Monetary Policy Committee's decision to again increase the rate after 200 basis points being added in 2021 reflected an assessment of the previous increases, among other things.
With these policy adjustments, we noted that while interest rates in the money market have increased, banks generally have remained relatively liquid and for the most part have not passed on the policy rate increases to their customers. This means that to the public, Jamaican dollar deposits have not become more attractive compared to US dollar assets, leading to a preference for foreign assets and pressure on the foreign exchange market.
Central banks around the world have also increased interest rates, in fact, at a much faster rate than the BOJ in some territories. Mr. Biles says this could also add further pressure to the local foreign exchange market. Mr. Biles says other strategies have also been considered by the central bank in a bid to control inflation and foreign exchange movement.
The committee also decided to pursue stronger measures to contain Jamaican dollar liquidity expansion and to maintain foreign exchange stability. Some of these actions include the issuing of longer tenor open market instruments, direct sales to the energy sector, and ensuring adherence to foreign exchange investment limits by regulated financial institutions.
The bank hopes the increase will rein in inflation, which hit 9.7% for the 12 months up to January.
The MPC anticipated that without further stronger policy actions, inflation will continue to breach the upper limit of the bank's target range over the next 10 to 12 months and will peak in a range of 9 to 11% over this period. This inflation forecast assumes a continued lagged impact of international commodity and shipping prices. Also, of note, some further pressures from energy prices are expected in the coming months, and agricultural food prices are also expected to support inflation.
The next monetary policy decision will be announced on March 29. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
Banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average of $156.49. $122.53 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $209.65 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $177.78. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 124 points, while the junior market index gained 52 points. Among the winners, iCreate, Eplis 6% shares, ISP Finance, JMMB 6% US dollar shares, and Margaritaville Turks. On the losing side were Cargo Handlers, 138 Student Living, PBS 9.75% shares, G West Corporation, and Express Catering. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.